Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that laboratory tests on human teeth indicate that the area effective during chewing is approximately 0.25 centimeters square and that the tooth length is about 1.1 centimeter. If the applied load in the vertical direction is 880 Newton and the measured shortening is 0.004 centimeter, determine Young's modulus. So solution. So Young's modulus. So we are to determine the Young's modulus in this question. And Young's modulus is given by what? Young's modulus is equal to stress over strain. This is stress over strain. So now we know that stress on its own is equal to what? Force over area. And strain is equals to change in length over the original length. So now if we substitute this in this Young's modulus equation, we'll have is equals to what? It will be this divided by this. So if this equation divides by this, it will be P over A, it will be P over A divided by change in length over L. So this will be times L over change in length. So it's times L over change in length. So this is the formula. We are going to substitute this into. So now, the Young's modulus, what's the force? The force here is 880 Newton. So we're 880 times what's the length? The length is 1.1 centimeter. So this is 1.1. We'll convert this centimeter to meter. So it will be times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Since centi is 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So now, area is what? Area is 0.25 centimeters square. So it will be 0.25 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 to meter square. That is, we have converted it to meter square. Then change in length is what? The change in length, that is the shortening, is 0.004 centimeter, which is times 0.004 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So then we can put this in the calculator. This becomes what? 880 times 1.1, or let me just put the numerator first. 880 times 1.1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. This is 9.68. 9.68 divided by, this is 0.25 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 times 0.004 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. This 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 9. So now, this divided by this, we both know that 9.68, this, the inverse is 10 raised to the power of 9. For this Young's modulus, this becomes Newton per meter square, or Pascal. You can use Pascal. This is the same thing as Pascal or Newton per meter square. So this 10 raised to the power of 9 is giga. So E will be what? 9.68 gigapascal. This 10 raised to the power of 9 is giga, and this Newton per meter square is Pascal. So this is 9.68 gigapascal. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.